Right.
Get the car. She calls it back. She's like, oh, someone took the car. She used it to go buy groceries. I saw her walk for like an hour.
Right.
And my other friend was there.
Dang, that's a long walk. Oh, here she comes up. I think she's gonna tell you to shut up there, Daisy. She sure got up with a posture, didn't she? Yeah, now you're begging for mercy. Kane's trying to save your ass there. Yeah. You're a good girl, Kate. Hey, no, that is not gonna happen. Look at that. I hurt her feelings the first time when I gave her a good. Hey, go. I can see you thinking it. Jeez, you think I'm dumb? Really? What are you thinking? Yeah. Reba. Kane and Daisy. There we go. Katie too. There we go. Oh, he's gonna try to get another kiss in. Oh, he just doesn't stop. Just doesn't stop. Everyone's trying to kiss you, Kate. That sounds like a movie. Everyone's trying to kiss Kate. Cheesy movie, but oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Kisses all around. Alright. Like they're friends. They're friends. What are you doing down there, Kate? What are you doing down there? Oh wait, that's you, Daisy. What are you doing down there, Daisy? Trying to get you to play. A little bit of mouth sparring there. Oh. Alright. There we go. Release. What you think? Come here. What do you think, Reba? Huh? What you thinking? Oh, everyone comes in. Everyone's going in. There we go. Back. There we go. Back. That's fine. That's fine. There we go. Yeah. Back her, I guess. She does not want you to mount her, so I'm not going to let you. Oh, look at you. Train's coming in. Oh, what's she doing here? Train got her hyped up or what? She's just ready to play. Here she comes. Oop. Look at that. There you go. And he goes right down, ready up. That is such a good boy. Such a good boy. Or the passive boy. He's just like a big Travis, isn't he? Hey, get off of him. I'm not even gonna let you hump him, man. Dang it.
She's like, I'm not doing it.
Alright, you're no fun. Nice. See your friends, Kate? See your friends? See your friends? Here they are. Here they are. Yeah. He's a good boy. A good girl. Good dogs. Good doggies. Hey. Good boy. Health thing again. I'm up there. Good. Good. Let's go ahead and play with him, though, huh? Go ahead and play with him. That's the tail wagging. You're getting ready to, huh? Yeah, you getting ready to?